Hello everyone. Well, it's going to be a big day today with the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee and the European Central Bank Governing Council meetings. The data out of both the UK and the Eurozone has been improving recently, but that only means less bad. So there's less urgency for either central bank to take any new extraordinary measures to resuscitate their economies, yet there's nowhere near the kind of improvement that would let them start to unwind the measures that they already have in place either. Forward guidance was one tool that Mr. Carney instituted when he was Bank of Canada governor, and today may see something along those lines after his first meeting as Bank of England governor. Given that the 6 Monetary Policy Committee members who have consistently voted against outgoing Governor King are unlikely to change their mind just because somebody new is chairing the meeting, an outright change in policy is unlikely. But Mr. Carney could make a statement following the meeting, which would be a break with tradition, as usually the MPC doesn't make any statement when they leave monetary conditions unchanged. Similarly, given the current political problems in Portugal and the sharp rise in interest rates there, plus the refusal of the Eurozone politicians to agree on a banking union, the ECB will probably want to take some action to calm the markets. When Jean-Paul Trichet was ECB president, he frequently said that the ECB never pre-commits. But recently, ECB officials have been making more and more promises about how long interest rates will remain low. They too could start to employ more formal forward guidance to encourage rates to remain low at the long end as well as the short end. The likely impact of forward guidance from the ECB and Bank of England would probably be to push the euro and sterling lower, given that the expected medium-term real interest rate gap between currencies is one of the main determinants of the exchange rate. And if you don't believe me, please see the graphs that are up on the research and analysis section of our website about this. For Eurodollar, support and resistance levels today are essentially the levels tested in the past couple of days as the pair consolidates around 130 the figure. Support below 129.80 comes at 129.55 and 129.20, with resistance at 130.30, 130.55, and 130.75. For cable, resistance above 152.70 and 153.05 comes at 153.45 and 153.70, which is the 50-day moving average. Strong tested support comes at 152 the figure and in the 151.25 to 151.40 area, with further support at 150.40. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.